position, not television. Ups and downs, makes the count. That's the tales of the marriage.
Joy. Excuse me. Get closer. My sis are quite sick from Bokodi. Oh, really? Yeah. You know me, right? Oh, yeah. You know that I'm Mrs. NKRUMAH. And you still flirting with my husband. You are aware. Oh, me krami kun kan mpo na me fise me kunu mpo na be fa kan o chem. Sa na ye. Now pedian o ha. So you can confidently stand before me and tell me and address me, my husband, as husband. Since when did he get married to you? Oh. Me won. Yeah, me life me. Me ne be my date kra me ma fa ne sem me kun. Oh, me friend me ra. The we are already me with them. Nti enye wo mum no the Bible ka show me say o ware me tambe na o ye me kunu a me friend me kunu. O ye me ra. Me do fo pa. Makuma mutsofri. Mani kosia. I love him. Sure, me say, you are a cheap slut. Hey, about only dignity, Samo. Only reputation. You have nothing to protect. Obi kuno, udlana, maybe chama dem na rhyme. I'm your wife for the away time, Papa. Oh, is that how you are? Okay, say me. Of course. Oh, it's ya. Some me funtina oye mira. Oh, I see. Yes. I admit it. Oh! I love people who admit that they are stupid. I love people who admit that they are classless, they lack manners and they have no value for themselves. Do you know what? I am here on a very precise mission. It's simple and straight. Stay away from my husband. Understood? Hey, Mommy can be show. And yeah, dear me Joyce. Me did mad way. Ebe chefru kunu ho. Onye okunu po wa waro kra ontimi ka se okunu. Enye onko a wadia. Na me di ranum na makrokro no na madono to say maninkosua na mene natsena. Fuck off. Don't try it. And some example. No, so something smell like this now because it's oh, I don't like you. And no papa. And one of things and you stink completely. Oh, you read them up at the rear corner and one now pay. Send your bone and it's so what a pack can me husband can no animal big now. Oh, chain high. Era, about me fuel and I won't even can't me say. Me hobo and you crowd get me send your pay. May warn you because the next time no you won't get it like this. If you try it I'll slap you. Try it to make mistakey. Me say try mistakey. So about me the next time now me because I'm about to run because me the can be bow and chef I'll start to tell them. So what Jimia you learn sense. Fuck you. Hey, don't try it. Don't try it. Gina, what is that? You know what? If I try, Mr. King on walk around. You may be a bad damn there. You take my own foot. You're okay on. You're a root girl. Maybe a mad girl. Don't try me. Wow.
Timon, make sure you send it down money now this time. Mama will jab a crap.
Gentlemen.
Don't fret a crap for them. Make sure say everything.
Gentlemen, please.
Okay. Yeah. My truth is so we'll talk. Why? We'll talk later. So make sure you really want to test me a message. Why?
Young man, where are you coming from at this time?
What rights do you have to ask me where I'm coming from?
Oh, really? You asking me what right I have?
Yeah.
I have every right as your wife. I can question your whereabouts. Where are you coming from?
Wife.
Of course, yes.
Wife. The husband you deprive. The husband you throw into gutters. Now I am important to you. Excuse me. I am not interested for your cook and push.
No, wait. Where do you think you're going? I'm talking to you and you're leaving. Like you're walking over me. Who does that?
I'm not in the mood.
You should be in the mood. You have a lot of questions to answer.
What again do you want from me?
I said, where are you coming from at this time of the day? What is wrong with you? Why? Why are you behaving like this?
Leave me before you see the other side of me.
I won't leave you. Do your worst.
What do you want? Tell me what you want and I'll give it to you so that I can have a peace of mind.
I want your honesty. I want your faithfulness. I want you to be the old you. I don't know what you're doing.
Do you think I'm not faithful to you?
Oh, must you ask me this question? Ask yourself. You know best.
I've loved you and I'll always love you and I will love you till the day I'm no more. So can you leave my shirt now?
I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving you today, tomorrow, or the next. Don't try taking my hand off you. I hate it.
Abna.
Find something better and tell me. Else you're not leaving.
What do you want me to tell you?
Tell me something
I have
reasonable.
nothing more to tell.
You have something to tell me. When will you stop cheating? When? When are you going to stop this? I am tired of your life!
Where do you get all this foolishness from? What are you cheating on you? You think I cheat on you?
I am talking rubbish, right? Foolish things.
So who is feeding you this foolishness?
Ask people that you go about with. Do you know those nasty things with? Don't question me. Hey! Oh, you never come back. You go walk all over the world. You come back to the same house. Nonsense.
Sorry. I didn't cry. What's up? Sorry. I don't know where you want us. Oh, sorry. I didn't help. No. What's up? It's again, I didn't know how I did. But I should have practiced like that. Yeah? I don't know. Sorry, I'm trying to get you.
That's why I count intimacy. That's why I count intimacy. Now, one big family. I want any gym. You need gym. I feel it. Should you have a tom? And then what ma? When I'm also namasi. Because yes, I'm the two. Yes, I'm the two. The choir. What did what me first? Sasa choir. What did me first? Can you second? Oh. What's as Ade dry up dre and Yakopunch, a color we am Maya. To phone him too. A day, other Mawa, Ibini, Rabem. Quasi, Ade a chamber of a fire about never pay.
Mommy, can I ask you only one question? Mommy, do you trust me as your son?
Because Utamakuma Supa. Judy pa a brand new old name. We as a sika, a control nipper. And now when you sick, because of the Judy, Nami had dropped to Namipua. It's a sika, a control nipper. Sika, it is a semipa. Sika, manipa, a idea. And Miss Away. It's no. They catch your plane, we knew debut.
Mommy, do you think say I would cheat on my wife?
Nakawunya, a great day. And you put a sanity in Pamba. And now, with all evidence in your chest and press who cheated on her. Why do you have to do that? I was see. I'm wow. It's a say I told my Jenny fears and I'll pay. And then now that different room, external the living room. Now, what was that? Me, if you said when you came, it means that the banner, it means very good. It means massive. I didn't my mama, I asked her, I go so much when it's not the call. So, come here. Me, walk or not, sir. I know, yes, sir. I wouldn't care.
Mommy.
Hey!
Ring where Shabeno.
Hey!
But this year can't tell me Guma or Empire. I will never cheat on my wife. I made a promise. And I made a promise to myself. And me hear what I say. I will love only her. Apart from her, there is no one. Mommy, what am I me baby? You see, I call her Abna. Sometimes I get stressed after. Me, woman ahead. What is going on? I don't like it. I am trying all possible best to make her happy. But my yema from but what my name check? My friend Abna cry unresponded.
Don't abna her. Don't abna her. Opasa ukunu. Okay, crack. It's no. Ukunu crack. Nakubeda adebechina whatba. Nyamede. Sana ape. As head of IT, I want good. So when you need peace of mind, I'm not good. You cannot offer a rehabilitation like offer for any money. Sana chini. And a juma ball. They are getting certificate of place. Sana re. Now me go back to zero.
Oh, me then you tell me how.
But so change. I want you to change. Change your lifestyle. Stop chasing women. I mean, I don't have any free more. Emma. Hey. And now why you move? And now you look at the man who did.
Mommy, Amate. Abnani fee, so be true fear, I will just go down on my knees and apologize.
This is not about apologizing, no. Someone apologizing and say, Abia, it's also gay.
No, but
then why do you have to apologize to her?
But to maintain peace.
No.
I need a
change to life outside. I think I'm going outside now, outside the TV catch level. A whole also your career. Question outside one.
Mommy, but some will feel, but and so I'm not in some will fear. Probably will be to me. I can say me cheaty. What's up by me will feel?
Never feel. Sometimes I point more late. Sometimes I call early. I'm not ready. The other time of friend also what chance 11 a.m. now Beffy. Why? I was saying why? Why do you have to cheat on her? Why? Oh,
Mommy, I won't do that again. I'm sorry, Mommy. Mommy, don't stress out.
Quite man's officer, we are extra work officer. Friend, no office. For office line, friend, no office.
I will do just that.
If you office the and take you 20 minutes.
I will do just that.
It's a normal part who said, yes, if you office now, but 20 minutes, what do you fear? But you be not peace, no fear, not a fear, and need you fear, Tibano, and need you some mercy. No, I didn't first no show, no moment of food back. Now that was also the have anyone in your woman. I go see.
My son, I won't do that again.
Matthew,
I will be a responsible man.
Sunday, my name is Makacho. Say, every time I'm a Fukura, I see. And maybe see pure, and maybe see pure. Make out so near me, you need. Now, was a Judy. Who perceive a Judy? Obedience, car. The open way. They catch them. Kind, you free. Kind, what? I didn't have a year collab with my area. It's not the first semester. Can anyone come to me to anyway? I'll call you as you that. She may be there or dear baby. Now that Sarah say, one more than that. chance. She says, "Come on, son." Until the way massive, who be telling me, huh? Fatima, inena kasa pa. Nano bi chine ni makasa. What? So I got to the Jebibia mame. So be brave. Now the salmon, another chance. What? You say, "A dear, yeah, Obasan, Kasa, Obasan sardine. Say, with me a sardine, no meaning a junior than it's too. Say, a boy junior than it's more. There's a caddy. Eh? Brony. A so colorful. A so silencious. It's so fatiguing. What? What are you ready? Since I got catch yourself up knocking. And say, "A dear son, Sunday, why not so be of some baby? What do you cut it? Well, in the more. And for me, what I say, Miss Rob, what? Sending a no kind, Miss Sorry Play. Chepia man and Kawati. Miss Rob.
Do I come out? So time be a one, I make us many out so can you pass with it? There's no way you can be Jama Manaka. I am here. So in can be the same man, I come up with Mancasa. I don't know, is that?
What? You crown, we are massacre. I am a yakwa chess this year. Hey! Me ka baby a free bar. Everybody, yes. Yes, nipa. It is a cinema. Okay. Kwesi. Oh. You forgot so. You go for no dia kuro say no say fa. Omo and I make much extra kwa mako. Say you go for akosi follow say omo choko bia emo ono. Omo na make much kwa. Ba mo hu won mo stay away from you. Me hu no na omo nka ho. E na ye ko bo so say omo no o so no dia kuro. Ade. Opo come back to Mason. What's the way Mason baby? I fear there. Because you are there. You're ready. Mid of her. I'm in shower. That's the power. Let her consume like a sad. Be fine. What? Stop it. Oh, there's sure and then I acquire a saber. Sicaka meant to be on the table. We need to show bad into Obasobansa. Ah! I said, "I'm going to was yan or minimal." But up at the why someone say, "Can I say so holy as they said, Sabado, Sabai, not fear say, who upon my name with a fire."
They will come at you. They say, you will not come with me. And Pompey to say, inside the city. Because then I can say, "Some repeating will be in power of fear, mammy." And they quite walk out in Kaka. It's me,
yes, what? So you go to the yard to see your church.
Abna. Middle. My love.
I can't say that.
Middle. Abna. The brony papa bi. Baya fefe. Semenshia. Yee. You think I'm telling you? Do baby. It's your for chamate. About you. My phone. I know say I have been wronged, but forgive me. It will never happen again. I love you so much, please. I beg you. I need my wife back. Please.
It's okay.
Honey, thank you. I love you, baby. Nah, so they are me there, then let's go inside.
Sure.
I really miss you.
It's okay. Yes.
I'm not sure, but since you was not with you, I know that we have a matter, Papa. Eh? No. So, and I do.
Okay, fine. Then I'll be the your favorite tomorrow.
It's okay.
No, please, let me cook for you.
It's okay. What do you mean? No, I'm not ready for this. So then
Tell me there, then.
Media show, but let me just do my thing. If you're like on the bye.
I'm not so the champ then and on so the champ so what do I take on?
I said the idea show in just a break pen and Bibian sign gets it back to normal.
Tear into one fairy, to one fairy. Tear.
Anyway, say Yana, I'll call you your
Yeah, I'm calling the dog.
So, Mamma, no, Mamma, Hannah.
There have been some call.
No, me and Gono, this will be
Mommy call. Mommy, thank you. So I come to be
no, you and maybe think of her.
I've not watched him there. Yeah, he's a little yeah, and then coming up,
Time was the pledge, just hold each other side by side was the promise.